Global Access Forex. The one thing I need you to understand about one saying, it is not about you are right or you are wrong. It's about money you lost while you are wrong, and how much money you lost while you are right, or how much money you risk while you are wrong, or how much money you risk while you are right. That's the most important aspect of the trading psychology and terminology with respect to money management concepts you need to understand, which it compiled together, risks together, aligned them together. I'm very sure with a good trading plan and a good strategy and also a good trading system, you can be able to excel the forex market global. Because the guy is in my BIP signal, BIP, because we always give what 10% daily. Every day we give 10% daily growth. If you are in my VIP signal, you always get a signal that will give you 10% of your account. 10%. So even if you have $5 account, you can get 10%. Like this, imagine this account now. Do we have closed some trades the other time? Because this account now, this small account, I'm going to be using it to be giving signals. It's a pre-group I often, so I'll be only giving signals for people that have $10 account and below. That's the only people that will be giving signals in that group. So you see, this is reading almost this. We have gotten more than 10% on this account. We have gotten more than 10% already. Just look at the equity. We have gotten more than 10%. It was a $10 account, so we have gotten more than 10%, because 10% of $10 is $1. So we currently, the profit we are even currently reading right now is more than 10%. And see, we are using 0.03 and 0.02, making what? 0.05. So please, you don't have to risk too much before you win. Just you risk simple amount of money, you'll just get what you want. This is a small account, you can see. So no matter your account, just risk small and you will get what you want. Simple. You see? So for those that don't know how to do, somebody will ask me, Adnan, I don't know how to reduce this lot size from 0. Because ordinarily the default lot size of DREAD is 0.2 lot size. That's the default lot size. But somebody will ask me, sir, how will I reduce my lot size to this level? Fine, no problem. Check in the description of this video. I'll put a video that I did that will give you a full explanation on how you can be able to reduce your lot size even to 0.01, which is the lowest lot size. 0.01, yes, 0.01, because we have 0.02 there, 0.03, then 0.01. So you can even put it up to this lot size. It's very simple. So this is Adnan Global Access Forex, you can see. So let me close this trade since we have already gotten our $10 target. Though the market will still be go down, so we may hold and we may not hold. But in that case, what should we do? Should we close, or should we close and not be greedy and achieve our target, or what? Sometimes it's good to have this feeling in your trades. It helps you a lot and it give you exactly what you want as a trader. So this is Adnan Global Access Forex. Even some account here, the same account that took the signal, you see, it was the same signal. It's the same signal we give. So it was a VIP signal I gave earlier. So a lot of trades have been taken with these signals, and it's currently in profit. Let me show you. Okay, this is our VIP signal, and let's check the time we posted the signals. This is when I posted the signal. Today is what? Let's check today. Days 17th of November. That was yesterday. What day are we now? Thursday. Today is Thursday, 18 November. So you see, this was the signal. Check the signal here. You'll see it. Check the signal. So the entry level, TP1, TP2, TP2. So one has already hitting TP, and we are still rolling. So with Adnan Global Access VIP signal, you can always get 10% of your account raw cash daily. It's not scam, it's live and direct. So you see, this is Adnan Global Access Forex. So let's check some other account as well. You still have some running trades here. Just that I didn't set the stop loss and the take profit because I'm always watching my market. So anyhow, as far as you take your trade with our signal, I'm confidently telling you that you can have 10% signals. And please, my next video, I'm going to upload the giveaway video for those that win the giveaway. I have 5 VIP tickets to give out today because I have already conducted the giveaway day before yesterday, and 5 people has won. I'm going to release their names, and everybody, after I release those emails and the names, please, you people should go and contact my support managers direct so that she can be able to add you in our VIP group so that I can be able to get 10% of your account daily. This is Adnan Global Access Forex. Please don't forget, if we want to check on every information about us, whatever we are doing in everything, please don't forget to check us on agaforex.com, or I should say aga-forex.com. So this is Adnan Global Access Forex. Nice talk to you now. See you in my next video. Bye.